A few months ago, I started building this AI powered job platform as an experiment. The idea was simple. What if instead of manually searching for jobs for hours, you could just upload your resume and AI would analyze your profile, find relevant jobs, generate cover letters, and help you apply faster? At first, this was honestly just a YouTube project, but after uploading the first two videos, something unexpected happens. In the second video, I made the platform public for testing, and honestly, I couldn't believe it. But around 1,000 people visited the website. People were uploading resume, testing the AI, checking AT score, generating cover letters, and actually using the platform seriously. And that completely changed my mindset about this project. Because once real people start using the platform, I realized something important. Finding job is not the hardest part anymore. The hardest part is having a strong resume, matching AT systems, understanding missing skills, and standing out for a thousand of applications. And after reading user feedbacks, I realized the platform still needed to become much smarter. So, in this video, we are going to transform this project from just a job finder into a complete AI career assistant. We are going to add some features like ATS resume scoring, missing skills detection, AI resume suggestions, and smarter career insight. So, let's get started. The first feature I want to add was an ATS resume score system. So for that, what you have to do is simply go to here, then just go to input field at left side and type the prompt. So I have pasted the prompt and everything. Now what I have to do is simply click on this arrow button, and now look at this. It start thinking and is analyzing these stuffs. So it will take a little bit time. So let's wait. So finally, the program is completed, and now it's time to check the ATS score system. For that, let's open this in a new window, and here it is. Now what we will do is just simply click here and select Olivia Smith resume. Here, click on open, and here you can see it start analyzing the resume as well as finding the matches. So it will take a little bit seconds, so let's wait. So finally here we got the extraction, and here everything is perfectly matched. Now here you can see here we got the AT score as well. Now you can see there are some keyword relevance, skill matching, then resume structure, then experience quality and readability. Everything will be around 77, and here you can see there is a experience quality that is very low, so that's why the score is 77. Okay, and here some AI feedback as well, how to improve everything. Okay, so you can go, and now the 80 score is finally working perfectly. So now you can move and also apply here as well. Okay, so now it's time to add another feature, so let's move on. So come back here. Now we are going to add another feature, that is missing skill detector. So now what we will do is just simply paste the prompt here and click on this. Now you can see it start thinking again. Let's wait for a little bit. So here, as you can see in the right side, everything is start updating. Like you can see it refreshing multiple times. It means the code is going to be update multiple structures. Okay, and here we can see the direct visuals. That's what the difference between a AI website builder like Lovable and other builders. So finally guys, everything is done, and here you can see it added a skill match analysis sections where if it match it will show green chip, if it partial match it will show this icon, and if there is a missing skills then it show cross. Okay, so now let's go again here and refresh this page, and then come here again and open and upload the resume. So finally the parsing is complete, and when I just go below, here we got the AT score and the feedbacks like before. Now the real thing is here skill match analysis. So what is that? This is it will match your resume. It will just take your languages or frameworks whatever you have skills and matches with the job requirement and find the matches skills. Okay, so if it shows in green means it's a perfect match, means they needed you. and if it shows in red, it means you don't have that skills. So I hope you understand this functions. Okay, and it's a good thing to keep this because it helps you to apply the direct or best approach, so you get 100% placement. Okay, so now everything looks good, and now it's time to add another feature. So let's move to here comes the dashboard, and let's go back to below here. So now this is the final and last feature we are going to add in this job portal, and we will just make it live. Okay, so the final feature that I'm talking about is not only it's AI resume improvement suggestions. Okay, so now what I have to do is just click here and it will start the fetching details and everything. Okay, so as you can see, it start thinking and analyzing the whole website. So we have to just wait for a little bit. Okay, and once it's done the process and update the things, what we're gonna do is just move to again to here and upload our resume, and let's see what it will do. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, and there is no need to worry, guys. Till then, you can make sure you can go and check this out, lovable.com. Okay, because I like this and it was perfect. Okay, so I hope you will like it as well. Okay, so make sure to go and check this out, guys. So guys, finally it's added, and now it's time to check this out. Okay, so let's move to here, and let's refresh this page again. Okay, so now let's again upload the resume here. So I'm going to upload the resume, and let's see is that works or not. So now it start fetching the details and everything, and here you can see it extract every details, and here we got the it is score. Not only that, but here you can see now we got AI resume suggestions. So as you can see here, there is something we got like smart insight, and it shows about what things need and what things need to be changed. Like you can say in career growth, there is a quantify project achievements and technicals, bridge keyword gaps. Then ATS optimization, we need to correct experience metadata. Then deep info stack description. Then professional summary and cloud competencies. Okay, so that's what we are going to add, and it's work perfect. Now here comes the real jobs. Okay, and that here you can see skill match analysis, missing skills, and everything works perfectly, guys. So I hope everything looks good, and now you can go and check this out, guys. Okay, you can see we have created this job match, and now it finalizing means it's the final video, and I hope you guys love it. Okay, so that's all about today's video, guys, and make sure to check out lovable.dev because the design, the layout, the architecture created by Lovable is like another level. If you try any other tools or any other designers, there might be a issue, but Lovable gives you the perfect thing that you need. I tried and I created many websites from Lovable, and that was great. So you can go and make sure to check this out, guys. Okay, and the resume builder is finally completed, and you can just go and check this out, guys, as well. I will provide link in the description of this published site. Okay, so now here everything is done. Okay, so what we will do here is go to publish, and then we will just update here. Okay, because we already published it. So this is the link of our MVP Lovable app career finder. Okay, so as you can see, it start updating the app that we have provided, and yeah, so you can just go and check it. So now it's published and up to date. So you can go and check it out, guys. Okay, so that's all about today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Happy coding.